Depreciation of an asset is also considered to be part of the company income statement. If company is not losing sales or revenue, but it is losing the wealth of assets, for example, the vehicles, equipment, buildings and land of the company. These are known as assets of the company. Even though company does not sell the asset, but it is only used, the value of the asset is decreased after the each year. This is called depreciation of an asset. In this lecture, I will add the depreciated value of the company asset in the income statement. Click SLN function sheet and DB function sheet. I will explain these two depreciation functions in the next section. Currently, Microsoft Excel has 5 depreciation functions. These depreciation functions are used to calculate the depreciated values of the company assets. In this sheet, I have calculated the depreciation values of the company assets by using straight line depreciation method. For the 10-year, in row 9, you can see company loses the wealth of the asset by a constant amount after the each year. In row 11, you can see the cost of the company asset reduces to $460,000 after the year 1, as the original cost of the asset is $500,000. And in other years, the cost of the company assets reduced by a constant amount after the each year. I add depreciation values of the company asset from the row 9 in the income statement to calculate the estimated company operating profit. Active income statement worksheet. Active cell reference E30. Enter equal sign. Click SLN function sheet. Click cell reference C9. Press enter key. This is the depreciation value of the asset for the first year.